hunters here.
I'm pretty far away from you, so.
Yeah, I'm playing slow. You're inside the prison.
That's all I needed to know.
I think they're fighting a monster.
Yep.
Let's go.
Fucking up the stairs with a shotgun. There's another team pushing. My bad.
I think we're clear. I couldn't hear the thing. But... No, there's still dudes here. Heal up. Oh yeah, I hear him running around. Where was he? Below you,
I
above you?
am 10 meters away from me somewhere. I don't know. It sounds like he's running up the stairs.
Got him. Guy's got some guns outside. The fucking, I don't know what these are called. Battlements. If you go up the stairs where you got shot, then take it right. There's some dudes fucking shit. Resources. Gunshots to the east. Wanna take a look-see?
Are we? Somewhere over here.
Well, let's go this way. Let's go up high instead of going there.
I didn't get any of my health back from the banish. Oh, because we didn't banish. So.
Yeah. Yeah, they have no fucking idea where we are, so we can dead ass beat fucking hoes. Just hide.
One right out this door. He just ran back to the left.
Got both of them.
Nice, another squad's getting ready to push us.
I need ammo. Oh, he had a Nitro Express.
Ow! Pushing me. Both on me. One's lit as shit.
You can just dip.
Ow.
That guy, if you go down the stairs, there's a Nitro Express rifle. Got one. Got two.
Nice.
Alright, that's gotta be the server. Did you scoop that Nitro?
I did.
Nice, it's a big add. That's like the most expensive gun in the game.
Yo. Where's our expo? Southwest.
I wish I knew what fucking gun I was picking up. I hate the legendaries.
Yeah.